How to install apps in Slack Workspace. Is your Slack Workspace just a chat box? Slack is only as powerful as the apps you feed it. Today, I'm showing you how to install apps in your Slack Workspace easily in under 2 minutes. From the standard Google Drive integration to the new agentic assistants, I'll show you exactly how to find, approve, and deploy tools that turn Slack into a functional command center. Okay, and if you wish to start installing apps, you need to open up a marketplace first. So as you can see where I have my left bar right here, we have the apps section where, as you can see, I can use some of the apps by Slack. But if you wish to open the apps app store, right click on the apps and then go browse apps. Then you go to apps and then browse Slack Marketplace, and this page will open. And you can click on any app that you wish. So for example, I will find something like GitHub. You go here, and as you can see, there's a button, Add to Slack. You'll also see a permissions screen after you press on Add to Slack, as you can see right here. So this is highly granular this year. Pay attention to the read and write scopes to ensure you're only sharing the data you want. And then when you're ready, press Allow. And then if you're not the workspace owner, you'll see a Request Approval button. As you can see now, the app is added. Open Slack, and here it is. And in that window, you can type in quick notes like needed for Shopify DevSync and hit submit. And then your admin will get a Slack bot ping to approve it instantly. And once approved, the app will appear in your sidebar on the left right here. You can click it to finish the setup, which is usually involving signing into your external account like Google or Shopify to bridge the two services. Then hit allow and you're synced. So your workspace is now a powerhouse. If this guide helped you upgrade your Slack game, make sure to like and subscribe.